Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 20 of the blanket. It is worked with royal plum color of Hobby Store Special DK yarn from Magic Needles. Its color code is 5016. This 20th pattern is worked as a bobble, and this pattern requires multiples of 2 plus 1 stitches or multiples of 2 plus 1 chains. Both are the same for this particular pattern. I am ready with my 34 DCs for the sample swatch. In the blanket you have 302 DCs, so you will have to adjust one odd stitch at the end of the row, so that should be fine enough. So as usual I am going to turn my work and begin with a standing double crochet. And the first bobble I am going to make in the very first stitch here. So for that, yarn over, pull up a loop to the height of the DC, yarn over one more time, yarn over one more time. Now yarn over and pull through all the loops on the hook. Chain 1, skip 1, and make the bobble in the next. I am skipping this, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. You will be having 3, 6, 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through all of them, chain 1. Again, skip 1, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up a loop the second time, yarn over and pull up the loop third time, yarn over and pull through all the 7 loops on the hook, chain 1. So this is going to be your bobble stitch. This is going to be the pattern throughout. I will do one more time and show you. Yarn over, insert the hook, skip 1, insert the hook in the next stitch, pick up the yarn and pull through, yarn over, insert in the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through, yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, pick up the yarn, pull through. Now you will have 7 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 7, chain 1. So continue this pattern till the end. I shall meet you at the end when I come to the last stitch here. I have come to the end. Ideally I am left with 3 stitches here in my sample. So I have already done the chain 1. Skip 1 and make your bobble. 1, 2 and a 3, and pull through all the loops, chain 1, and place your DC in the very last stitch. Because I have done my standing DC here, this V will be available in the side, so I will pick up my loop here and make the DC. Pick up the loop, insert the hook under these both loops, pick up your loop and pick up the yarn and bring it out and complete the DC. Having done this, turn your work. Make your standing DC to begin with, or chain 4. I am making my standing DC and a chain 1. Then make 1 bobble in every chain 1 space here between the bobbles. Make 1 bobble each in between the bobbles. 1, 2 and a 3, and pull through all the loops, chain 1. The next bobble between these 2 bobbles, 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. I'll have 7 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the 7. Chain 1. One more here, again between these two. 1 time, 2 time, 3rd time, yarn over, pull through all the 7 loops on the hook. Chain 1 and continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I have done my last bobble here. Now I just make a DC in the last stitch here. I pick up the V that is seen on the side. That is the right loops to pick up. So for the blanket I stopped with these 2 rows. These 2 rows are the pattern repeats for any project that you would like to take up. Okay, now turn your work. Make your standing DC. I am going to do the DC row. And you see that you have the total number of DCs that you began with. I should have 34. In the blanket you should have 302. Sorry. Place your DC here. Then 1 DC in every chain 1 space and 1 DC on each of the bobbles. So that's going to give you the required number of DCs. Please count and confirm that you have the same number of DCs that you started with. I will complete the DCs and get back to you. I have completed the DC row. I have 34 DCs. I started with 34 DCs here and I ended with 34 DCs. Similarly, in the blanket you will have to end with 302 DCs on the DC row. Thank you friends for watching. Have a nice day. I shall meet you with the next video with the next pattern.